Okay, let's go with another example where we're gonna use the reference number. Here, using reference number to find terminal point. Find the terminal point determined by each number. T, we have number T, 5 pi divided by 6. We are going to find the reference number, okay? When we have this, it's easy for us to find reference number. For example, we have here, we go here, we arrive to pi divided by 2 equal 9. It's easy to say that the terminal point is 0, 1. That's very easy, okay? But what happens when we have another one? What happens where we have this, for example, when we have this point pi, p, x, y? We don't know how to, so we have to use the reference number to find it. So you remember that this part is y and this is x. All the time it's gonna be 1, okay? They are partners, okay? It's gonna be very easy. So we are going to use reference number. Remember to find the reference number. This is we just subtract, okay? But don't forget the reference number here. If we have in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or fourth quadrant, it depends where it is. For example, 5 pi divided by 6. What is my reference number? Well, it depends where it is, in what quadrant it is. 5 pi divided by 6, it is in quadrant what? In quadrant 2. How do we know? Remember, if you want to multiply 5 pi, you multiply 5 times 180 divided by 6, and you will have, if you do it, you will have 150. And then 150, where is it? In what quadrant? We are in quadrant number 2. You start right here, and here you have 150. So in second quadrant, you remember we subtract, we do like this, pi. Okay, you remember that? Pi minus the angle. But I told you before, one way to find very easy is when you cover the numerator, and you left just pi divided by 6, that is gonna be our reference number. And from now, we are going to get the terminal point. How to get a terminal point? Okay, well, remember I told you before, when we have this, x, the point x, y, I told you before that when we are talking about x, we're going to find it using cosine of the angle, and when we have y, we're going to use sine of the angle, and we get it, okay? But how am I going to get this? I want you to remember this. Remember when we have 0 degree, when we have 30 here, okay? When we have 45 degree, when we have 60 degree, and we have 90 degree. I don't know if you remember, when we have sine, sine, we have cosine, everything divided by 2, okay? For example, I start with 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and after 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. And if I want to find pi divided by 6, remember pi divided by 6 equals 30, you remember that? Pi divided by 6 equals 30, okay? So it's the same. So what I'm gonna do is to find this, okay? I'm gonna find cosine of what? Of my reference number. Cosine of pi divided by 6, what it is? Well, I know that it is 30. So cosine, I come right here, cosine equal what? Oh, square root of 3 divided by what? Divided by 2. Oh, I got my first, I have x. X equal what? X equal square root of 3 divided by 2. Now I'm going to looking for y. Remember y, you apply sine to the reference number, okay? How I'm going to do it? Remember, I come over here, I say sine to what? To pi divided by 6. Pi divided by 6 equal 30. So I come here, sine equal what? Square root of 1 divided by 2, all the time by 2, okay? And now sine equal 1/2. Okay, I have one right here, 1/2. But remember, remember this, we need to know the sign of this point, okay, of this terminal point. We need the sign. Okay, we need the sign. Okay, here is the second quadrant. Here is the second quadrant. Remember, x is negative and y is positive. Do you remember? It is negative because it's from the region to the left. That's why x is negative. But when y is positive because it's from the region to up. That's why. So I'm gonna write down here. This is negative and this is positive. I'm gonna write down positive. I don't have to. Okay. That's our first example. Okay. We got it. That's what we need. We need to find the terminal point. Now let's go to another example. Okay. Let's go to use another example. Okay, example B, we have here, let me see, we have we have here 7, okay, t equals 7 pi divided by 4, okay, the same thing. I'm gonna get what? I'm gonna get the reference number, okay, to find what we need, the terminal point, okay. So I have the reference number. Remember, if you want to find the reference number, you cover the numerator here and you just leave pi. Okay, so pi is 7 divided by 4. You cover and that's it. Now 7, pi divided by 4. You cover 7 by 7. You have pi divided by 4. And then pi divided by 4 equals 40. You remember when you divide pi 180 divided by 4, you got 45, okay, and then I'm gonna find, remember, I need this, I need the point x, comma, p, y, so p equal the point, okay, x, what is x? Remember, if you want to know about x, you say cosine the reference number, you see, cosine, you know cosine equals what? 45, so 45 got cosine right here down, square root of 2 divided by 2, all the time divided by 2, okay, I got it. 2 square root of 2 divided by 2, comma. Now I need what? Now I need signs. Remember sign of the same angle, you know. What I have? Sine 45 or square root of 2 divided by 2. Okay, I got it. 2 divided by 2. But I need the sign. I have to be careful with the sign, okay? What it is? I don't know what a quadrant. In what quadrant? In what quadrant is 7 pi divided by 4? So remember, 7 pi divided by 4. If I want to know what quadrant it is, I multiply this and I divide by 4. Remember, we can use a calculator. You know, you say 7 times 180 divided by 4 and you have 315. Okay, you have 315. 315, remember, what quadrant is 315? Okay, 315 it is, you got here, you have 180 to is here from this one, okay, it's here. We are talking about 4 quadrant. It is a 4 quadrant. I need this point, okay, I need this point, okay. And then how to find this point? I got this point, but I have to check what is gonna be the sign. Remember the sign x is here, you know, here you got here. X is gonna be positive, okay, positive, and down here it's gonna be y. Y is gonna be negative because it's down, okay? You're gonna be negative, and I got what I want. That's my point, okay? I can do, let me see if I have time for another example, you know, let me see. I have time for another example. Oh yes, I have time for another example very quickly, you know. Okay, let me see. The last one. I'm gonna have the last example. I'm gonna make negative. Okay, we need negative 1, negative 3. So first we need to find the reference number. The reference number, remember, you cover the number in the numerator, you just leave pi. And then pi divided by 3 is my reference number, okay? Now I need the point. The point, remember, x comma y. Okay, and then the point is gonna be you use cosine of the reference number, in this case pi divided by 3 equal what? Pi divided by 3? Well, pi divided by 3, let me see, is 60, okay? 60, and then you come here of 60, you have square root of 3 divided by 2. You come here, square root of 3 divided by 2, comma y. Well, y, remember, you find y just using what? You just use sine. You come here, you see sine of the same reference number, okay? 3 equals 60, sine equal square root of 3 divide by 2. And no, wait a minute. I'm talking about cosine? No, I'm wrong. Wait a minute. I made a mistake, really. Oh, yes, I did. A big mistake. Wait a minute. Wait. Well, it's alright. So we have cosine of pi divided by 3 equals 60. Cosine is 1, square root of 1, what happened? Divide by 2 equals 1/2. Thank you, Jesus. Okay? Comma. Now, I got it. Now I come here and I say sine. Sine of what? Of pi divided by 3 equal. Okay, we have here sine. Okay, 3 square root of 3 divided by 2. Now I got it. Okay? Now we need to know the sign. What quadrant it is? This is if you multiply this, you have 120, and 120 negative, of course. Okay, 120. If you raise this one, we don't need this one. We don't need this either. Okay, we got it. Okay, we have this here. For example, remember when you have a negative angle, you come here clockwise. Okay, like this. When it is positive, you go against this one, okay, counterclockwise, okay? So we need this one, 100 is like this, 120 is about this, you go like this, okay? When you're here, you have negative 90, so when you come here, so it is what? In third quadrant. Remember, third quadrant, what we have? OX is gonna be negative, it's negative, okay, it's coming here negative, and Y is gonna be what? It's gonna be negative 2. So we have the determinant point right there. You see, it's very easy. You don't have to the only thing you have to do is to find the reference number and check the sign, okay? See you later in the next section. I know you are there, okay?